Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance storing, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So here the requirement is very simple. So basically I have one slicer and one table, one visual, as well as one like a card. Okay, so here the requirement is based on the date selection. I want to display the selected date as well as the previous year date. Okay, for example, in case if I select, let me scroll up. For example, if I select August 1st 2002, I need to display this selected date as well as the previous year August date also. Okay, so that is the actual requirement. For example, if I see I have selected August 1st 2002, now I'm able to see 2002 as well as the previous year also. Okay, so this is the total amount 21.20. So the respective sales, again we can select any dates, so it's working fine. Same thing also. Okay, same thing I am taking into the visual also. So basically here, so we need to do some changes if you want to display these two dates only, because if you go to the format option, we can see in x-axis there are two types. One is continuation and category. Okay, in case if I select this one, you will see some of the months. Okay, it's not displaying the properly. I want to only these two values, but it's showing so different. I do not want that, so that's why I change it to this option. Now you can see what are the output it's required for our case. It is showing same only. Okay, so like this we can achieve the requirement, so by writing the DAX expression. So I have written some lengthy code, but basically we can achieve this logic very simple manner also. There are different ways we can do, but so I have written some lengthy code. Yeah, let me go through it. So for example, so let me zoom in so that we can see clearly. So here very simple only. So basically I have declared some couple of variables. In the first variable I'm trying to capture the date. In the second variable I'm trying to find the current selected date, and in third variable I'm trying to find the previous year's date value, and finally I'm just merging these two dates and passing as a filter for the calculate function. So and finally returning the variable. Okay, so might looks this is very lengthy code. So there are many short ways also we can achieve the same requirement. I think it's not required this lengthy code, but I have written some different style. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.